CruzieTV. For those of you that are new, welcome, and if you're not new, I'm so glad that you're back. Since Valentine's Day is just around the corner, I figured the perfect tutorial would be a cute and easy DIY on how to make gifts. They're quick, they're simple, and they're very affordable. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. That was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was very easy to follow. And like you can see, they're very simple yet cute gifts. Let me know in the comments below if you liked it, what you thought of these, and if you would like to see some more videos like this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at CruzieTV, and I'll see you next time. Bye!